In today's video, I will walk you through how to add a waterfall chart in PowerPoint. Select the slide where you want to add the chart, then go to the Insert tab and click Chart. In the Insert Chart window, choose Waterfall and click OK. An Excel-style spreadsheet will open automatically. Replace the sample data with your own values, including increases, decreases, and totals if needed. Once you have entered your data, close the spreadsheet window. The waterfall chart on your slide will update automatically. To customize the chart, click on it and use the Chart Design tab to change colors, styles, or add chart elements. You can also right-click a bar and select Set as Total for subtotal or total values. Use the Chart Elements button to add data labels, axis titles, or a legend. To summarize, insert a waterfall chart, enter your data, close the spreadsheet to update the chart, and use the Chart Design tab and Chart Elements options to customize its appearance. Once your chart looks the way you want, it is ready to use in your presentation. Thank you for watching the video.